Today we are making juice ya ukwaju, and we have ukwaju here. Ukwaju. So first we start sufuria and tunatoa hii. Start by removing the outer shell. This is ukwaju. We're going to soak them in some water for like 20 minutes just to get them soft. Just some water before we boil them. So as we see, I've already drained out the water. It's a bit cleaner now. This is a new fresh batch of water. We're going to add in some sugar. Shika. Nae mama shika hapa. Shika hapa sugar. Alafu mwaga.
Inaenda chini. Baba doya sugar.
Ginger. And then
Baba na nimeshika tailini.
Ginger.
Acha na nikishika tailini.
Let's boil that together. And we are going to add some vanilla essence. Just 1 cup. Kidogo. Mwaga. We're going to boil our ukwaju mix. Boiling will kill off all the bacteria and make it safe to drink. Once it has boiled, we set it aside to cool down, and then we'll squeeze off the pulp and drain it. Now with clean hands, we are going to squeeze out all the pulp. See, that's how it is. Make sure your hands are clean. Squeeze it all out, Now we're going to sieve it out. That's what's left. Now we're going to add some clean water. Mix it together. Now you taste it for some sugar.